Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is September 30th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down $2.96. That's 1.10%. Closed at 265.25. Post-market, we seem to be up by 70 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yes, we are down by $2.96. That does not sound like much, but if we look at the chart, it's clearly enough to close lower than even our double support, including the wicks. This is not a good sign. This is really not a good sign. Trend-wise, pattern-wise, we broke the congestion pattern on our way down. Yes, we could have a miracle tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Tesla could be showing something fantastic, a robot that could empty the dishwasher. If we see something like that, people are going to go crazy, and I think the stock could go back up. But this is a 3-hour meeting. I think. So this is going to take a while to watch all of that and for people to consume it. So it's going to be interesting to see what is going to happen next week with this. So your bet is as good as mine in terms of the patterns, in terms of the behavior of the crowd. The behavior of the crowd is telling me that things are going down because we are breaking support and we have a low stochastic. Let's go see on the 1-hour chart to see how this fared today. So we bounced on the first hour. The body of the candle is on 265.94. Bounced on the first hour, second hour also, but then we didn't have stochastic over 60. So guess what? Things came down, and now we broke 265.94 on that last candle right here. Everything is in the tank in terms of our indicators. Then coming back on the daily chart, so stochastic is at 5, extremely low. RSI negative. Everything's bad. Everything's bad in terms of the pattern. So we are into a new downtrend right here. So this is the new downtrend that we have been in for a little while. This is where we are right now. This is where we are heading. If we break this downward resistance, then the pattern breaks. So technical analysis is all about patterns. So there's a pattern one way, and then there's pattern. If it does not get broken, then it continues. This is how we set our stops. This is how we decide when to buy when we have a significant move. And a significant move comes when either a red trend line is broken or a green trend line is broken. When a stock is between two trend lines, this is a continuation. This is a continuation of a move. It's not something new. When we have a break, it's something new. It starts a new pattern. If it breaks this way, it starts a new pattern. That way, another pattern. This is how we can follow the herd because we cannot fight a trend. We don't have the buying power to make a change in Tesla's stock. We can just follow what is happening. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to talk also on Sunday. Watch the AID tonight, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.